Hello, tutor. My name is Juan Jose Luna Medrano. In this video, I'll be pronouncing English consonant and vowel sounds. I'll cover 10 consonants, 12 vowels, and 8 diphthongs. For each, I'll demonstrate the sound, give an example word, and repeat it twice for practice. I'll wrap up with a fun tongue twister using those consonants. Let's dive in. Starting with consonants. Listen and watch my mouth closely. First, th, th, as in thing. Next, the voice th, as in those. Then vibrating lips, as in voice. Now the retroflex, as in red. Hushing, sh, as in ship. Now buzzing, z, as in vision. Cha, as in church. J, as in judge. Now the nasal, n, as in zing. And finally, the breathy, ha, as in hats. Now let's go over the vowels. I'll say the sound, then the word. Long E, as in C. Short as in set. E, as in bed. A, as in cats. Long A, as in car. A, as in hats. Long O, as in law. Short O, as in book. And long U, as in food. A, as in cup. Long U, as in bird. And schwa, unstressed in about. Next, let's pronounce the diphthongs. A, as in phase. I, as in my. Oi, as in boy. Ow, as in now. O, as in go. Ear, as in near. A, as in hair. O, as in tour. To tie those consonants together, here's a custom tongue twister featuring all 10 sounds. I'll say it slowly first for clarity, then at normal speed. Slow. Though the thick thief thought the thin tongue thorough, the shrewd vendor voiced vehement vetoes, visioning vixens racing through the throng. Jaunty jesters challenge, chattering, chose, jiggling, hems, while humming heroes, hang high. Now faster. Though the thick thief thought the thin thong thorough, the shrewd vendor voiced vehement vetoes, visioning vixens racing through the throng. Jaunty gestures challenged shadowing chose, jingling hymns while humming heroes hang high. And that's it for this English Sounds video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.